Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I have been researching a lot about the benefits of magnesium, and one thing that I found is that there are different types. How about getting them all in one capsule with these awesome pills from MegaFoods? This is a 300 milligram pill, and it has the citrate, the malate, and the glycinate all in one bottle. So how easy is that to be able to take all of what you need as far as magnesium in one pill? The pills themselves are a capsule, and they're about a medium size, but I find that they're very easy to take. They don't have any kind of aftertaste, and they do recommend that you take 2 at once. And again, I find them easy to swallow and easy to use. You could also put them into your smoothies because those capsules will open, and that way you still will get all the magnesium in that you might need. If you're looking for a pill that really is nice, high quality, check out the listing on the bottle. They really seem to put a lot of care into how they're making their vitamins, and I just really appreciate that everything is available in one pill. But that's just my point of view.